Good morning, everyone. It is truly a pleasure to stand here today as a graduate of the Diploma in Baking and Pastry Arts. This is a meaningful milestone for me, and I would like to share a bit about my journey. When I started this course, I never imagined I would reach the finish line. At the start, I felt overwhelming and almost impossible. But through perseverance and determination, I learned what did effort. Anything is achievable. I discovered that weaknesses can become strengths with patience and practice. For instance, I excel at cooking, but baking was my initially challenge for me. I didn't give up. I kept practicing, and now I can do it confidently. I am grateful to this school and especially to Chef Mabel Pano, who has been a guiding light throughout my learning experience. They have been like instrument of blessing, helping me to grow, reach my goals. Studying here has enriched me not only professionally, but also personally. The lessons I've learned extend beyond baking skills. They have taught me resilience, patience, and humility. I also want to express my heartfelt thanks to my family, whose unwavering support and encouragement keep me going during difficult times. Their love has been source of strength. And above all, I thank God for His grace, blessings, and guidance. Without His favor, I wouldn't be standing here today. To my fellow graduates, I encourage you to never stop dreaming and keep working hard. Challenge may seem tough at first, but remember that improvement, success are possible through perseverance. Embrace new opportunities and never be afraid to try. In closing, I'd like to share a quote by Julia Child. No one is born a great cook. One learns by doing, so keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in yourselves. Congratulations to all of us. Thank you very much.